How do I look?
Like one of the bad guys. Perfect for your undercover assignment.
So Makarov is the prize.
Makarov's no prize. He's a whore. A mad dog killer for the highest bidder. Just remember your new identity. It'll keep you alive. Welcome to the 141. Best hand-picked group of warriors on the planet.
It's an honor, sir. When do I meet the rest of the team?
They're on a mission recovering a downed ACS module behind enemy lines.
Their feet wet?
Imagine they're just about freezing right now.
Break's over, Roach. Let's go. Stay here and spot me. Wait for my go. All right, the ice is good. Follow me. Good luck, mate. I'll see you on the far side. Hold on! Don't let go!
Check your heartbeat sensor. You should be able to see me on the scope. That blue dot is me. Any unrecognized contacts will show up as white dots. Roach, these Muppets have no idea we're here. Let's take this nice and slow. You take the one on the left. On three. 1, 2, 3. Nice and same plan. On three. 1, 2, 3. Nice work. Storm's brewing up. Let's split up. I'll use the thermal scope and provide overwatch from this ridge. Use the cover of the storm to enter the base. You'll be a ghost in this blizzard, so the guards won't see you until you're very close. Keep an eye on your heartbeat sensor. Good luck. He's mine. Hide. You've alerted one of the guards. Alright, I've tapped into their comms. Head southeast and plant your C4 at the fueling station. We may need to go to plan B if things go south. There's a truck coming. Stay out of sight. Hide. You've alerted one of the guards. You've been spotted. Take cover. Tango to your left. Tango on your 6. Target on your left. Target behind you. Things go south. There's a truck coming. Stay out of sight. I'll take this one.
Сегодня всему новому составу прибыть на поле занятия и для тестировки в 14 часов.
Approach the fueling stations near the northeast corner of the runway. Hold up. I'm seeing some activity on the runway. Looks like 20 plus foot mobiles headed your way. That's the fueling station. You found it.
Лейтенант Павлов, к первому ангару.
I'm picking up more radio traffic about the satellite. Stand by. Got it. Sounds like the satellite's in the far hangar. Brace you there. Oscar Mike, out.
Отряд Мариуполь, будьте готовы к прибытию самолета. Это Си-29.
Picking up large heat signatures near the tower. Could be BMPs. I'd avoid that area.
Took a scenic route, eh? Let's go.
Go upstairs and look for the ACS module. Roach, I've been compromised. Keep a low profile and hold your fire.
Dispatcher Petrov, come out with your hands up. You have 5 seconds to comply.
Roach, go to plan B.
4.
Stay close and hug the wall. We use the mix for cover and cross the tarmac to the southeast. Roach, follow me. Let's go. Head for the mid. I'll cover you. Head is close, Jeep. Cover me. fire, but we're almost there. Stand by. Pin the throttle. Keep going. There's the chopper. Let's go.
Bravo 6, we have you on visual. Get your ass on board. We're running on fumes here.
Okay, they got me. ACS. We're out of here.
The rest of Task Force 141 brought in the ACS, Alan. 2 men took down an entire base. I ask much more from you now. Yesterday you were a soldier on the front lines, but today, front lines are history. Uniforms are relics. The war rages everywhere, and there will be casualties. This man, Makarov, is fighting his own war and he has no rules, no boundaries. He doesn't flinch at torture, human trafficking, or genocide. He's not loyal to a flag or a country or any set of ideals. He trades blood for money. He's your new best friend. You don't want to know what it's cost already to put you next to him. It will cost you a piece of yourself. It will cost nothing compared to everything you'll save.
Z nami Bóg. Remember, no Russian. Check your weapons and ammo.
I've waited a long time for this.
Haven't we all?
This way, let's go. Go.
Группе 4. Следить за вторым терминалом. Террористы могут пройти через подземный туннель. Прием.
FSB, take him out.
Группа 6. Мы отправляем грузовик к 17-му выходу второго терминала. Грузовик к 17-му выходу второго терминала.
Они обходят нас с тыла!
This way, let's go. Hallway clear. Hold your fire.
Ну, шевелитесь! Get in! We've sent a strong message to this attack, Makarov.
That was no message.